Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Russell Jan again, RJ for short, and you are watching RJ's Vlogs. Kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel, nagko-cover tayo ng mga videos about work from home, home-based job opportunities, at nagko-cover din tayo ng mga videos and reviews about earning websites and applications. Kaya naman kung interested ka sa mga ganitong klaseng videos, please consider subscribing. Click mo na yung subscribe button below at click mo na rin yung notification bell para naman updated ka tuwing may bago tayong video upload. Bago tayo magsimula guys, shoutout muna tayo. For today guys, gusto kong i-shoutout si Jayus. Nag-comment siya ng patry nga nung shoutout lods. So yan guys, kaya gusto ko siyang i-shoutout kasi I've been noticing this subscriber. Sobrang active niya sa ating Facebook page. Sobrang salamat sa suporta sa ating small channel. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung mga engagement sa ating Facebook page, comment section, at of course sa panonood ng mga videos. So now guys, let's proceed to our video for today. So ayun na nga guys, may bago na naman akong i-share sa inyo na website or platform from where we can earn kahit nasa bahay lang tayo. So etong website na tinutukoy ko, meron silang available voice and non-voice jobs. At ang maganda dito guys is sobrang taas ng potential income or service fee na pwede mong makuha. At pwede rin mag-apply ang ating mga beginners. Excited ka na ba sa ating video for today? Kung excited ka na, please make sure to stay tuned on this video up until the end. Wag mong i-skip kasi baka may mamiss ka na important information. Just a quick overview lang kung ano yung mga i-discuss natin at pag-uusapan natin for today. We will talk about the details and information about this company. Pag-uusapan natin yung mga requirements and qualifications in general. I-share ko rin sa inyo yung mga available jobs na pwede nyong applyan also for beginners. At syempre guys, pag-uusapan din natin kung paano ba mag-apply or how will the application process go. We will also talk about the payment and payment methods. Pag-usapan din natin yung mga ilan sa frequently asked questions na usually tinatanong ng mga applicants. And at the end of the video, we'll talk about the pros and cons. So yun nga guys, ano ba itong sinasabi kong website? Let me introduce to you Cyberbacker. Ano ba si Cyberbacker? What do they offer? Cyberbacker was established on January of 2018 with a goal of partnering great individuals to clients who share the same values and characters. They believe that like-minded individuals working towards the same goals or business have the highest capacity of growing. Cyberbacker aims to provide premium and world-class services to their partners. Today, in just a span of more than 3 years, the company is servicing more than 1,000 and growing delighted and satisfied clients. Ngayon guys, let's talk about the qualifications and requirements na kailangan para makonsider ka as a Cyberbacker independent contractor. Ano ba yung mga basic requirements na hinahanap nila sa isang applicant? Of course guys, number 1 is your good command of the English language. Kasi you will be working with clients from different countries like USA, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom. You need to be able to communicate in English. Hindi naman nila hinihingi na sobrang fluent at sobrang galing mo sa English. As long as you can converse well in English, that's okay guys. May required din silang typing speed which is 60 words per minute. So ito naman, hindi naman siya magiging sole basis for you to be hired or to proceed dun sa next step of application. At syempre, kailangan 18 years old pataas ka. Tapos for the internet connection guys, you need at least 10 Mbps for both upload and download speed, and it should be a wired connection or LAN connection. So if you're looking for a job, siguro naman meron ka namang internet connection. So all you need to do is to buy your LAN connector. For CPU and processor, they would require at least dual processor. Also i3, i5, i7 or above. And for the RAM, it should be 4 gigabytes or 8 gigabytes. They would recommend the 8 gigabytes one. And yung laptop or PC nyo should have at least 60 gigabytes of free hard disk space available. And they would also require guys a headset with a noise cancelling feature, especially to those na mag-a-apply sa mga voice jobs, and a high definition webcam. So yan guys yung mga general requirements na hihingi nila sa inyo. Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin yung mga available job positions na pwede mong applyan dito kay Cyberbacker. Magme-mention lang ako ng ilan sa mga available jobs nila, pero sobrang dami nilang available jobs, guys. We will visit their website a little bit later para ipakita ko rin sa inyo yan. Number one na pwede nyong applyan, and pwede rin applyan ng mga beginners, is being a cyberbacker. So, as a cyberbacker, this is a mix of voice and non-voice tasks. You will be working more on administrative tasks like transcription, updating data and files, paperwork, and any other tasks. As a cyberbacker, pwede ka rin mag-apply either full-time or part-time kung ano yung prefer mo and depende sa availability mo. You can also apply as an inbound or outbound sales agent. Ano naman ba yung mga ginagawa ng mga gantong work? Ikaw yung magpo-prospect ng mga new clients. You will be communicating with these clients through emails, calls, or texts. And you will also be responsible for scheduling appointments. Available din ito, guys, either part-time or full-time. And this is a voice task kasi kailangan yung mag-call to prospects, to clients. Another one, guys, is being a cyber recruiter. As a cyber recruiter, you will be prospecting recruits and managing their database. Available lang to for full-time. Next one, guys, is you can apply as a transaction backer. This one, guys, is also a voice task wherein you will oversee all aspects of buyer and seller communications or transactions. Technically, guys, ikaw yung mag-handle ng lahat ng mga related task from the day that the client signed the contract up until the deal has been closed. Next one, guys, on our list is being a social media backer. This one, guys, it's a non-voice job. Of course, magmamanage ka ng mga social media platforms. You will be responsible for planning content, scheduling posts, or responding to social media engagement. So yan yung mga trabaho mo as a social media backer. Meron din sila, guys, na video backer. Ito naman yung mga for those na may skills when it comes to video editing. This one is also non-voice. Also for those na mga creative, meron din silang graphic backer wherein you're responsible for graphic design. Ilan lang yan sa mga job posts na gusto kong i-share na available kay Cyberbacker. Pakita ko lang sa inyo, guys, ano yung itsura sa website nila. And by the way, guys, ilalagay ko yung link for the application page sa ating description box and sa pinned comment. Check nyo na lang yan, guys, later, of course, after ng video para wala kayong ma-miss na information. So, ito yung website nila. Kapag kinlik mo yung view careers, lalabas lahat ng available job positions. Ayan, cyberbacker, bilingual Spanish cyberbacker, meron din silang bookkeeper, director, events backer. So, sobrang dami niyan, guys. Ayan, scroll down lang kayo. Ayan, nakalagay naman yung mga responsibilities mo na gagawin as a cyberbacker. Transcription, gaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, updating files, lahat yan nandyan. So, kapag bookkeeper, ayan, nandyan din yan lahat. So, all you need to do is to visit their website later on after this video kung gusto nyo pa ng more information and more available job positions. So guys, ang pinaka gusto kong i-highlight na job position is yung cyberbacker. Of course, kasi dito talagang tumatanggap sila ng beginners. They also don't require any VA or BPO experience as long as you can prove na you have the skills, na you can communicate well in English, as long as you can prove na ikaw yung hinahanap talaga nilang applicant to help their clients. And for beginners, don't worry, guys, kasi meron silang pinoprovide na training. So yung training na yan, that will last for up to 2 weeks. And also, you will get a training allowance. So ngayon, guys, i-share ko na sa inyo paano ba yung application process. Ano ba yung mga kailangan mong pagdaanan until the day na ma-hire ka as a cyberbacker or kung anumang job position. Or pupunta kayo dun sa link na naka-attach dyan sa description, and then after that, manonood kayo ng intro video. So make sure na panoorin yung introduction video na yan kasi makakatulong yan all throughout the application process. And then after that, mag-work kayo with specific forms and assessment. So meron kayong form na sasagutan, and then meron din dyang values exam or assessment that you need to take. After that, your results will automatically be sent to their recruitment team. After that, guys, the next step is the initial interview. For the initial interview, there are 2 options. The first one is, pwede na kayong mag-proceed agad sa initial interview, but make sure na you're working on your laptop or your computer naka-ready yung headset nyo, yung webcam. Yung second option guys is pwede naman kayong maghintay ng interview invite from Cyberbacker. So after nyong sagutan yung forms, after nyong isend yung application forms, magsasend naman sila ng email after 24 to 48 hours to invite you for your initial interview. And then after your initial interview, you will receive a feedback after 24 to 48 hours. Tapos guys, if you pass the initial interview, the next step is another assessment from Cyberbacker. I asked my friend about this assessment and it's really a challenging one guys. Kailangan nyo talagang gawin yung best nyo in order to pass the assessment. And then guys, if you pass, you will be undergoing another interview, which is the final interview with Cyberbacker recruitment team pa rin to guys. If you pass the final interview, of course, onboarding na guys, and then you will be assigned to your client. Magkano ba yung kaya mong kitain na service fee dito kay Cyberbacker? You can actually earn up to $1,500 on a monthly basis, or that's equivalent to around 75,000 pesos. For the payment method guys, they only use one platform which is Payoneer. Pag-usapan pa natin yung mga ilang frequently asked questions from our applicants. What are the available work hours? So for work hours, usually yan guys is US business hours. So most of the time graveyard shift dito sa ating bansa, sa Philippines. Pero if you will be assigned to clients from like Australia, then swerte mo kasi you will be working in a morning shift. Do they hire fresh graduates? So, gaya nga nung sabi ko about no experience, yes, they also hire fresh graduates, like dun sa mga no experience din. Cyberbacker believes on character over experience. Also, guys, do they hire applicants from other countries? Yes, guys, for our viewers from other countries, you can feel free to apply, guys. Isa pang tanong na usually ina-ask ng mga viewers or ng mga applicants, pwede ba yung phone? Unfortunately guys, hindi mag-work ang phone lang kay Cyberbacker. You will be working with a lot of tools, CRMs, or any other platforms na would require talaga a PC or a laptop. Now guys, let's talk about the pros and cons on working dito kay Cyberbacker. For the pros, of course, it's 100% work from home. Also, meron din silang training provided. And aside from training, meron din silang upskill training, of course, for your career growth, diba? Another pro is that it's a stable job opportunity. So, hindi siya yung mga tulad ng mga micro-freelancing website from saan makaka-earn ka lang ng extra few dollars. Dito, talagang kikita ka ng stable service fee na talagang makakapag-support ng mga daily needs mo. Another pro is of course the competitive offer. You can earn up to $1,500 for your service fee. Another pro is meron din sila guys profit sharing. So ito guys, it will be further discussed upon hire. So I may not be able to provide any specific information about how their profit sharing works. For the cons, since si Cyberbacker is well known na here in the Philippines, sobrang taas na ng competition between applicants, especially for the beginners or the newbies. Another con guys is the schedule. Gaya nga nang sabi ko kanina, most of the time, yung mga job available siya for US business hours. So ayun lang naman guys yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo about Cyberbacker. If you think you're qualified or if you want to be part of the Cyberbacker team, please feel free to click the link dyan sa ating description box or dyan sa pinned comment. So, click nyo lang yung link na yan. If you have any questions, guys, please feel free to drop your comments. Itatry ko yung best kong sagutan yan. I hope na nakatulong to para sa mga naghahanap pa lang ng work up until now. And sana mahanap nyo na rin yung first job nyo or yung first client nyo. If nagustuhan nyo tong video na to and if you think this helps, please don't forget to like this video, share nyo rin to sa mga friends and family or across your social media platforms para naman aware din yung iba about sa job opportunity na to. And again, kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel, please consider subscribing. Hit mo na yung subscribe button and yung notification bell para updated ka every time we upload new videos. Thank you so much guys again for watching up until this point. I will see you again guys in our next videos. Bye!